Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by powering up the G435 and confirming Bluetooth is active so changes register. Press the Power/Bluetooth button briefly. The LED will flash to indicate pairing or connected state. If you see a steady light, the headset is connected. If it blinks, it's discoverable. Once the headset is on, you can proceed to disengage Bluetooth. Make sure you have any connected device nearby, so you can observe the connection drop as you change modes. You now toggle the hardware control to turn Bluetooth off. Press and hold the Power/Bluetooth button for about 3 to 5 seconds. This forces the headset out of Bluetooth mode. Listen for a voice prompt or watch the LED. It will stop blinking or change to a different pattern, which tells you Bluetooth is off. Once done, the headset reverts to USB receiver mode or powers down Bluetooth functions. Make sure any phones or computers lose the audio link to verify success. Finish by confirming the disconnection on your paired devices. Open Bluetooth settings and verify G435 is disconnected or removed. If Bluetooth remains active, perform a reset. Hold the power button for about 15 seconds until LEDs flash differently, then repeat the toggle. Make sure to update firmware using Logitech G Hub. Outdated firmware can cause mode switching bugs. If problems persist, try unpairing from the device and pairing again, then turning Bluetooth off using the same long press method.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.